Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into the world of Asana, showing you how to effectively perform portfolio management for executives. First things first, log into your Asana account. This is where all your portfolio management will take place. The reason we do this first is to ensure we're working in the correct environment from the get-go. Once you're in, navigate to the Portfolios section. This is your command center for managing all projects and resources at a glance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This feature enables you to have a bird's-eye view of your work progress, resource management, and timelines. Now that we've done that, let's create a new portfolio. Click on the New Portfolio button, give it a name, and add a description. This helps us because it organizes your projects under a specific goal or objective, providing a holistic view to your executives. The next step involves adding your projects to the portfolio. You can do this by clicking on the Add Projects button. Choose from existing projects or create new ones. This is important because it allows you to manage multiple projects under one umbrella, making it easier for executives to get a snapshot of the overall progress. The final step is customizing your portfolio layout. You can sort your projects by due date, priority, or owner. This gives your executives a tailored view that suits their needs and preferences. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently perform portfolio management for executives on Asana. Remember, the key is to keep your portfolio organized, updated, and customized to your executives' needs. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your use of Asana. Until next time, keep managing those portfolios effectively.